that is some people's like objection to starting Etsy dropshipping. Like, oh, I'm not going to be able to make tens of millions, so I don't want to start. It's like, that doesn't matter. And you also don't know what you're able to do. I mean, the biggest Etsy store is Caitlin Minimalist by the amount of orders. I think they just crossed over 3 million unique orders. They've done over like 18, $90 million in revenue. So it's like, there are big players, but it's obviously a much smaller percentage. But it doesn't really matter. That's the thing, is like, a lot of people focus on trying to beat the world record for sprinting and sprinting 100 meters before they can even fucking walk. You're trying to run a marathon and you can't even like walk 10 meters yet. It's like, worry about walking 10 meters, worry about making your first 50, 100 grand online, or even your first $1,000 online, and then figure out how to make millions down the road. Like, when I started dropshipping, I wasn't worried about making millions of dollars. I was just thinking, okay, I can make a bit of money and I'm going to learn a bunch of useful skills. In the future, I'm going to make more money because I'm learning all these cool skills now.